Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will be cleaning and organizing my kids' bathroom. This video does have two parts, and the second part will be uploaded on Friday. It is a linen and towel closet organization video. If you are new here, my name is Ryan Michelle. I'm a military wife, stay-at-home mom of 4, and on my channel you can find cleaning, organization, and home decor videos. So if you do choose to join the family, I upload videos every Monday and Friday at 8 a.m.
As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care.
First, I'm going to remove all of the bath mats from the bathroom and put those in the washer. I will be using this Lysol on the toilet because it did have a ring in it. My daughter does clean the bathroom once a week, but I needed to come in and give it a really good deep cleaning. Y'all, I have to admit, this cleaning and organizing video is very satisfying, so make sure you stick around to the end to see the final results.
I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need.
After wiping the counters and the cabinets down with an all-purpose cleaner, I'm going in with a disinfectant wipe.
Show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care.
I'll be doing the same with the doors and the walls.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show.
The glass cleaner that I will be using in this video is from Dollar Tree. Each bathroom has its own different cleaning products. So in this bathroom, I like to use cheap products because my daughter cleans it, and you know how kids are. They like to waste stuff, and I don't like to waste money. So I go to the Dollar Tree and buy her cleaning products. Now, she does have regular cleaning products in the bathroom that are not cheap, but majority of the products that I buy for this bathroom are from Dollar Tree.
Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. 'Cause something went wrong, the signals got.
If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below. What is one of those areas in your home that could use a serious deep cleaning?
Baby, keep
keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
And also in the comment section, let me know what areas of my home you would like to see me organize or clean in the future. I love talking to y'all in the comments. And also, if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you head over there and find me at mommyanddecorate_Ryan.
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar.
So my daughter's organizer thing has become a hoarding spot, and it is so junky and full of everything that it's not even supposed to be in here, like jewelry. She has her own jewelry box in her room, but it is jewelry in here. So I will be putting this entire organizer in her room. And also I will be deep cleaning her room pretty soon, so make sure you look out for that video.
Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices.
So everything in the plastic bag will be going to the trash, and this is all that I kept from those drawers in the white basket.
I'm terrified of losing you.
Let me know in the comment section if you like to hoard all of the hotel goodies that they have. I know I do. Sometimes I bring the body lotion, the shampoo, sometimes the tissue.
So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head.
So this tray is actually a utensil tray that I purchased for the kitchen, but the drawers was not big enough, so I ended up putting it in here to put the boys' toothbrushes in. And you guys have to forgive my voiceover today. Lauren is right here sitting up under me playing with her toys.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there.
So I have decided to move this basket with the tissue in it because I don't want a pipe leak, and then there goes all of my tissue rolls.
'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything.
I also forgot to mention that I did not go out and buy any new organizing bins. These were all in my home, and these right here that you see were purchased from Dollar Tree.
Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
So guys, this is the before. I didn't show me washing that on camera, but I did take it downstairs and I washed it. This is the before. All of the cluttered drawers, a mess.
Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
So guys, if you are still here with me right now watching, I would like to thank you. I appreciate you for watching the entire video. This is the end. Let me know in the comment section if you did like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This is the trash that came out of the bathroom, the madness. And make sure you come back Friday for part 2.